How to search by image on Google. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So searching by image on Google is very simple and it is also very useful. If you have something and do not know its name but you only have the image of it, you will be able to add it in your Google and use the search by image option to find about its detail. To do so, open your Google browser and then in your search bar, you will see an option of camera. Tap on it. Now, swipe up and then you will get the option of gallery as well. Tap on it. Wait for your gallery to load and then select the image that you want to find the information about. Or you can directly use your camera like this. Simply tap on the search icon and from here your results will be appear here. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.